How to make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. So if you want to make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram, then what you need to do is you can open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with on your Android or your iPhone. And after that, you can search for Aviator Predictor bot. Once you've searched here on the first, you will have github.com where you will have the Aviator Predictor bot. So just tap on it. Make sure that you're under the desktop site. And once you're on the desktop site, now you just need to simply go with the Aviator bot Telegram or Aviator Predictor bot, which is under GitHub. And here you will get this kind of interface. Scroll down. So once you tap on it, you just need to simply sign into GitHub. And after that, the bot will be added to your Telegram, but make sure to log into your Telegram web on your device. And once you've logged in, then it will automatically ask you that if you want to open the Telegram. So simply tap on open. And once you tap on open, it will be opened and it will be automatically added to your Telegram. So that's how you can make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.